Welcome to this guided meditation for the root chakra. The root chakra, also known as the Muladhara, is located at the base of your spine and is associated with feelings of grounding, stability, and security. By balancing and harmonizing this energy center, you can cultivate a sense of safety, inner strength, and a solid foundation in your life. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Finding a comfortable position. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting on a cushion or lying down. Relax your body, allowing it to sink into a state of comfort and ease. Close your eyes gently. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding onto. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, feeling your abdomen expand, and then slowly exhale, letting go of any stress or worries. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into a state of relaxation. Imagine a vibrant, glowing red light at the base of your spine. This red light represents the energy of your root chakra. Visualize this light growing brighter with each breath you take, radiating warmth and stability throughout your entire body. Now, envision roots growing out from the base of your spine, extending deep into the earth. Feel these roots connecting you to the earth's core, grounding you and providing a strong foundation. Picture the earth's nurturing energy flowing up through these roots, filling you with a sense of stability and support. Repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud, allowing their positive energy to resonate within you. I am safe and secure in the present moment. I am grounded, rooted, and connected to the earth. I have everything I need to create a stable and fulfilling life. I trust in the process of life, knowing that I am always supported. Take a moment to acknowledge any fears or anxieties you may be holding on to. Imagine these fears as dark clouds surrounding your body. With each breath, visualize these clouds dissipating and transforming into light, allowing a sense of calm and peace to replace any tension or worry. Bring your attention back to the red light at the base of your spine. Visualize this energy expanding, filling your entire body with a deep sense of groundedness and stability. Feel the strength and solidity of this energy as it radiates throughout your being. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for the earth's support and the grounding energy you have cultivated within yourself. Bring your awareness back to your physical body, feeling the connection between your feet and the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath in, exhaling slowly, and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of grounding and stability with you throughout your day, knowing that you can return to this meditation whenever you need to reconnect with your root chakra energy.